Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you the best settings for trading meme coins on Solana, and I will also tell you why you keep losing money every time you trade with a small amount of Solana. So if you want to save some money and become a profitable trader, keep watching this video to the end. In this case I use BullX, which is the cheapest exchange on the market. But you can also use another crypto exchange like Photon or Autosnipe, whatever you choose to trade. If you use my link below in the description, you can sign up for BullX and you will not only get early access to the Neo version that will soon launch to the public, but you will also save 10% on all your trading fees and you won't be placed on the waiting list with 100,000 other people. So why do you keep losing money even if you make a winning trade? It's simple. You are using the wrong gas fee and slippage settings. Gas fees are an extremely important factor in meme coin trading. The more fees you pay, the faster your trade will be placed. The Solana people don't work for free, and just like in every other business, they like to get tipped for their service. But if you don't set your settings right, your profits will be eaten up by the exchange. Let's talk about the buy and sell slippage settings first. In simple terms, slippage is the difference between the price you expect to pay for a token and the price it actually trades at. For example, if you set your slippage tolerance to 10%, this means your transaction will only go through if the price stays within 10% of the price you clicked. Slippage matters more when dealing with tokens that have high trading volumes. I recommend a 15 to maximum 20% slippage. This will get most of your trades go through, even in high volatile markets. Next we have MEV protection, or the miner extractable value protection. MEV protection prevents you from getting sandwiched. Here's how it works. Let's assume you're buying tokens on a high volume market. Without MEV protection, bots can front-run your transaction and buy up the token before you place your trade, causing the price to spike, so you will pay too much money for your token. And then, right after you have placed your order, they sell their bag at a higher price and you lose money again. With MEV protection on, your transaction goes through more slowly, but it reduces the chances of bots manipulating your trade. And let me give you a smart tip that not many people know about. If you set the buy slippage at a random number like 9.7 instead of 10 or 15, then these scam bots will more likely not find your order, because the bots are set up to hunt for two-digit numbers like 10 or 20 or 25. This tip alone will save you a lot of money and protect most of your trades. I only use MEV protection in a high volume market when I want to get my buy order to go through, whatever it takes. But I don't use it in a low volume market. It's kind of a trade-off. You're either protecting yourself from bots who can dump on you, or you speed up your transactions and place your trade whatever it takes. Next, there's the priority and bribery fees that influence how fast your transaction gets processed. The priority fee is what you pay to speed up your trade, and the bribery fee is used when you have MEV protection on. The bribery fee pays extra money to blockchain validators to push your transaction through. I usually set the priority fee to 0.001, but in a high volatile market, if speed is crucial, I set a higher priority fee like 0.003 or 0.005. If I'm okay with waiting, I'll keep the fee low to save money. I knew some traders who set their priority fee to 0 and they have no problems getting their trade go through. If you're not sure about the fees, go to the top of the page and copy and paste the gas fee there. This will always work to place your orders. So if you're trading with a small amount of money, like 1 Solana or less, set the buy and sell slippage to 15. Turn off MEV protection. Set the buy and sell priority fees to 0.001, and a bribery fee is only needed if you put on MEV protection. But if you want to get your trade go through, whatever it takes, put on MEV protection and set bribery fee to 0.003. This setup works well for newer and volatile tokens. You can test your settings with a few trades to see how quickly they process and adjust as needed. If your orders don't get filled, you can adjust the fees slightly. When trading high volume tokens, keeping the slippage low like 5% can help prevent your transactions from failing. But remember, low slippage can cause delays if the token price fluctuates too much. On the other hand, high slippage increases the risk of paying more than you intended for a token. Trading settings are not carved in stone, so see what works best for you, experiment with different settings and figure out what works best for your trading style. Another option that you can change in BullX is the quick buy button. Go to the top and in the buy box, enter the amount of dollars that you want to buy. This is in dollars, so not in Solana. If you want to quick buy a token with $50, put in 50 and when you click the buy button, your order will be instantly placed. So you don't have to go to the buy box and fill in the amount and price, etc. You can also do this in the settings. Just don't put in all your money in a trade because this will blow your account fast. If you only have one sol, put in maybe $25 or $30. Okay, that's it for now. Come join my Telegram or follow me on Twitter to find out all the latest info about meme coins. And don't forget to download a copy of my meme coin mastery ebook from Gumroad. It's free, you just leave your email and Gumroad will send you the download file. The link is in the description below. Thank you for being here again and remember, meme coins are risky. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you found some value in this video, please leave a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a profitable day and stay safe. Bye bye.